Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this look right here. It is very rainbow. I have so many different colors on my eyelids, which you guys know I always love. But yeah, this is going to be a makeup tutorial today. Very casual, very laid back, relaxed if you will. But yes, if this is your first time on my channel, let me just introduce myself like a polite person, okay? My name is Anya and I like to post videos on my channel every single day in which I talk about makeup, usually in a very colorful fashion, and I also like to just throw in like videos, just random videos about what inspires me, what interests me, and what motivates me. And yes, usually I do videos about colorful makeup because you guys know that once you give me an eyeshadow palette and some brushes, like there's no stopping me. I just have to create some looks, and that's what this channel is all about. And we also have like interesting conversations about makeup as well. So if you're interested in finding out more, click the links in the cards, and also check down below and check my channel out if you will, because like I said, I put in a lot of work into this channel and it's nice to give myself a little bit of a self-promo now and then. So anyway, now that we're done with that very embarrassing and very awkward, I don't know, 20 seconds, let's get into the video. So I kind of want to use the colored Raine palette today. I'm in the process of testing it, trying it out, seeing how it is. I've done like a few looks with it so far, but I want to like still do some more. I'm gonna pick up this red shade called Sauce on a packing brush. There's a little bit of fallout. I'm not sure if I've like mentioned that so far in a video with this palette, but yes, this palette does have a teensy bit of fallout. However, I don't really mind too much personally, so I'm just gonna pack this onto the outer corner of my eye, and oh, that is intense. That is some intense pigmentation, guys. I must say that this brush is a little bit difficult to maneuver. It's rather large. You guys know that I'm terrible at washing my brushes because I always like just like to like change the colors up in my makeup, and a lot of times I have like a whole bunch of brushes that are the different colors of the rainbow but no clean brushes. So I think that tonight I will be cleaning my brushes, hopefully. And right now I'm just packing this color into the outer half of my eyelid. To help blend things out, I'm going to dip into Sauce again, this time with a little bit of like a more creasy kind of brush. Like this time with a crease brush, and I'm basically going to blend out the edges of that red. I'm not using a lot of color on the brush so as not to lose control over this eye look. And I'm also dragging the color in to my inner crease with like a very light hand as well. I'm going to take the same brush and clean it off on the palm of my hand, and then I want to dip into this color called Splash. Now I'm going to coat the brush with it, and I want to run this into my crease because I want to like introduce like something like a little bit varied into this look. So I kind of feel like creating like this like kind of like red orange crease might be a little interesting. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of that red shade and just apply another layer of it into my outer corner to really further intensify it. And then I'm going to take a really tiny little crease brush and just use it to blend out the edges of that red. And then I'm going to use that crease brush that has like a little bit of that orange on it and just use it to blend out the edges of that red. I'm then going to take some of the NYX Glitter Glue, and I'm going to put it into the inner portion of my eyelid. And then I'm going to take my finger and pick up this shade Lemon Drop. You guys know, you probably realized that I have become quite partial to this shade. I really do like it, especially on top of the glitter glue, because then it really becomes so very vibrant. And then I'm going to take this little tiny baby crease brush, and I'm going to apply this red color into my inner crease a little bit more vividly. And now I kind of want to do my foundation, and you guys know that I have sort of like stopped using foundation in my makeup, but recently I have been getting to know the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and I'm just going to be using this one today, just a little bit of it. It has like this like little applicator right here, and I usually like to put like 2 dabs of it on the back of my hand. I'm just going to take a clean finger and apply it specifically on the blemishes that I really want to cover up, because those are the areas that are like problematic for me. And then I usually just take a buffing brush and buff the product into my skin. And then I want to go ahead and do a little bit more of like a vivid blue under eyes. So I'm going to pick up this color called Drip Drop, and I'm using a stiff brush with it. And I'm basically going to dab this into my lower lash line. I'm then going to take this color called Cute on a pencil brush and use this to blend out the blue a little bit. I'm then going to take a little bit of this Colourpop Supernova eyeshadow in the shade From the Valley, and I'm going to apply it right on top of the yellow. I'm not sure if I like this. Oh my gosh, this... I'm not... Okay, let me see. Yeah, I'm not sure if I like what I just did there. Okay then, we'll just keep on going. Okay, so I really want to kind of like do like a green in a corner. I know that sounds really weird, but I'm gonna be using this like green from the Hasina palette. This is like my favorite green like foiled shade, so I'm gonna use this color in my inner corner. Then for the highlight, because I think that this is good so far, so I want to go for the highlight. So this is the Tarte my camera's being so weird. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Highlight in Exposed. I think you guys may have seen my highlighter collection video in which I talked about the highlighters that I have in my collection and how frustrating it is that no, I have not used many of them in a very long time. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to basically test out as many highlighters as possible and as many like other products as possible, so in the future I can do a declutter and actually like know which products I might have liked before and now I changed my mind about, and now I should declutter, you know, that sort of thing. And that's why like I'm still like not decluttering those highlighters, because I have yet to try them enough. I've tried a few and I'm forming my opinions, but so far, I think I really like this one. It's really nice. It's a little chunky, I do have to say, but it's giving me a quite, like, a really wonderful reflect, which is nice. And then I'm going to further sculpt my face using a little bit of bronzer. This is my favorite, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I mean, I have some more I should probably be trying out, but I don't really want to do that right now. I kind of want to do bronzer that I really, like, know and love. I'm also going to apply a little bit of mascara. I have to get a new tube because I feel like this is like super close to expiring. I have like a new tube, but I just haven't opened it yet. And then I'll be using the Essence Lip Liner, and this is in the shade In the Nude. After that, I want to go into this liquid lipstick. I'm not sure if this is the Ultra Satin or the Ultra Matte lipstick from Colourpop because the label has worn off, but this is Aquarius. I believe it's the Ultra Matte lip though. The way I've been applying liquid lipsticks lately is by first like just applying it on my skin and then kind of using my finger to like just move it around and to just work it into my lips. I feel like that way I use a lot less product and the overall effect is a lot less drying on my lips. While my liquid lipstick is drying, I want to go on to do my false lashes. These are some House of Lashes lashes that I have. I'll put the style down below, of course. And after that, I'm going to do my lower lash mascara. Now for my lips, I want to use this Bite Beauty Cream Lip Gloss in the shade Champagne Pearl. So that is pretty much it for this look, made mostly with the colored Raine palette right here. I hope you enjoyed it. It turned into a little bit of a rainbow fest, which is interesting, of course. I wasn't expecting it to turn out like this, but then again, when do I ever expect my looks to turn out like the way they are supposed to turn out? You know what I'm saying? So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I am like gonna try and use the colored Raine palette as much as possible. I still have I think I still have like a few shades to use before I've tried like everything, and then I want to try it some more so I can do a review for you guys and so I can give you guys my opinions. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.